Come test drive the 2021 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, compass, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.